So in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to make a black obsidian ring. This design is different than the usual ones where you have to wrap a lot of wire around the bead. So just keep watching and I'll show you how to make it. So you need 16 gauge art wire. I'm using thick gold plated art wire. You need a ring mandrel, black obsidian bead. I'm using 8mm bead, and then you also need 20 gauge gold plated art wire. You need your pliers as well, and that's it. Let's start. So first, take your ring mandrel, and the ring, I need to make a ring which is size 6 US, and size 6 US is equivalent of size M in UK. So what you need to do is just get some wire, bend it around and cut it. Right, next thing is we need to make loops. I need to make a loop like that. Here we go, we made the first one. And now we have to make exactly the same loop on the other side. Like that. Here we go. Now we have 2 loops. We can now bend them that way and use the ring mandrel again. So it has to be around here, like that. And now what we need to do is we'll have to attach that bead inside. We have to attach it, which means we have to use some extra wire to wrap it around. Okay. So let's do it. I'm gonna cut some wire. I'm gonna use 20 gauge art wire. I don't know, around like 8-9 centimeters. And then I'll have to thread the 20 gauge art wire into the first hole, and I have to wrap around like that. So I'm doing it once, twice, 3 times, and I'm gonna hide that wire inside the ring like that. Okay, so now I can bead the black obsidian bead inside. So now we need to do it on the other side. So we need to bend the ring a bit and just put the wire like that inside the other hole, and you need to wrap around the same way as we did with the first one. So you just hold the wire like that and just start wrapping around a few times like you did here. This is how the end result looks like. The ring is now ready to be worn. Here's the ring, and thank you for watching my tutorial. If you enjoyed it, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks and have a nice day. I forgot to mention that this ring is really helpful if you have anxiety, because you can spin the bead like that. So really cute ring, really interesting design and easy to make, and it will be great for a gift. Okay, thanks again for watching and see you in the next tutorial.